Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the app lock in this device. For this, go to settings, then tap on apps. So before set the app lock, we need to set a screen lock. Okay, so the screen lock and app lock are the same. So open apps and here you can see the option app locker. So here we need to enter our screen lock. Then here I am going to enter the screen lock. Then here we need to select the application that you want to set app lock. So here I am going to set the app lock for calculator, then clock. Okay, and here you can see one more option, lock app when. Tap on this one. So here you can see two options to lock the application when screen is locked, otherwise lock the application when screen is locked or app exit. So here I am going to select this one, then go back. Let me show you how it works. Now open the drawer mode, tap on the option calculator. Now you can see they are asking for the screen lock or app lock. So if you set the fingerprint and lock for your lock screen, then you can enter the fingerprint lock, otherwise you can enter the screen lock also. So here I am going to touch the fingerprint scanner. Yeah, it is unlocked. Now go back again. I am going to open, use the pin. You can see it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the app lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.